Hi all, today we're looking at the US dollar and where we think the dollar is going to be going in the near future and potentially long term, especially in relation to the Brexit fiasco. Looking at the three main charts, we've got the US dollar currency index, the DXY, we've got the dollar palladium index, and we've got the dollar weighted average, a good indicator of where we're looking the market to go. Okay, first of all, we're looking at the dollar index itself. We can see since September last year, the dollar's been in a range-bound upwards trajectory. A nice start of the range, going up to the top to create the top channel, and then basically we've been bouncing in and out all the way for the past 18 months towards 2 years. In the last couple of months, we've been waiting and observing, looking for a breakdown of the dollar, and this is what we can see now: a good, strong, bearish momentum all the way to the bottom rising channel. However, we do see a good, strong retracement is due in the next day or so, and this might coincide with the Brexit news and on our pound dollar forecast, which we will send out at some point for a long-term pound reversal. If we look at the dollar chart and look to the left, we've been breaking through the key level. We broke through here. We've just broke through this key level, and we're looking to break through this key level. I think what's going to happen is the dollar will fall, might go slightly through, but I think we will then have a good retracement, maybe up to 36 mark, maybe to the 50, prior to a significant move to the downside. Palladium is a good indicator of strength in the US economy, the US dollar. Looking at the palladium here, we can see it's been going up strong. It's broken through these two last key highs. I do think now, if we're looking at the top here on the daily view, we've created an evening doji star, basically a doji, and we're looking for a breakdown now to the downside. And I think this fall could also help in the dollar declining. I think if we do fall, we're going to see a good bounce at this level. Finally, we're looking at the dollar weighted average. This is where we have the dollar and we weight it against the 7 major currencies: New Zealand, Audi, yen, Swiss franc, euro, CAD and pound. Again, if we look down at the bottom, slowly going up, we've had a good uptrend over the last 18 months, let's say. We've just had a dip onto the channel, a slight breakthrough, came back. It looks like we've hit at a good double top here, and now we've got this strong bearish reversal. Again, we've just hit the upward moving trend line, and I think we might go through here slightly, but again, we're looking for a good retracement, maybe to the 50 level, before we then can see a good strong breakdown to at least the 131 area. There's strong support there if we look to the left. Overall, we see that the dollar has got a lot of bearish negativity, but with the economy of the moment, the eurozone and the sterling, we think this will fall, but we shall expect a good strong bounce up prior to the fall down. In relation to the pound dollar, we should be looking for a pullback on the pound prior to a strong move to the upside, which I think will coincide with the dollar. Let's just see how the markets open up Sunday evening, and how the London opens on Monday morning with the Brexit news, but we need to keep an eye on the dollar, especially the DXY, and take all our dollar pairs off this chart to ensure that we're going in the right direction. Any questions or comments, let us know.